Jen and Julie here, and today we wanted to do a fun challenge video for you. These are some of our favorite videos. Jen, why don't you tell the people what we're working on today?
Today we are baking with no hands once
We are
again.
doing a no hands baking challenge. We love doing these. We take a really popular recipe on Tastemade and try and recreate it. Sans limbs. Well, we get our feet and our mouths and actually our elbows. So it's really not that bad.
Aww.
Okay, are you ready to get started?
Yep,
So this is Topless Baker's, what does he call them?
Ornament cookies.
Edible ornaments, yeah. Okay, so the first thing that has to happen in this recipe is the butter, the brown sugar, and the white sugar has to be creamed together.
Okay.
So I'll hold the bowl if you want to. Can you put the butter in?
Mm-hmm.
And what I love about doing a recipe, I don't feel confident the way that you're holding that butter. Oh, let me grab it for you. You hold it. You hold it. Yeah.
Yeah, I want that orange one.
Okay, I got you. I got you, boo.
Right here.
I got it. Get over here, you. What I love about doing a recipe like this is that it's very informative, and it's easy for you to follow along at home.
Very.
I'm gonna get the brown sugar here for you too.
Okay. I'll go in and get the white.
Cookie. Oh. I look like that guy from Star Trek. Yeah, you're gonna be better than me. Get that in there. Do you mind if I get a toe?
Sure.
Yeah, give it. Take it. Oh, my foot's cramping. Oh, I got a lot of cramps.
Oh, your toes just went in the brown sugar? It's an exfoliant.
Oh, my foot's cramping! Come on! Yay! Oh, God, get that butter off my heel.
Ooh.
Oh. I did not stretch beforehand, but just pulled my groin. I'll hold and you mix.
Okay.
No, I'll mix, you hold.
Okay.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how safe do you feel like this is?
-2.
Okay, the only thing is that I can't turn it on from. Can you get it on with your face? You got, yeah.
Get it up! Get it up! Oh, God.
That's the scariest thing that's ever happened to me.
I'll do it slower.
Yeah. Yeah, get it going, and then I'll pick it up.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I got it. I think that's good.
Yeah, that looks good.
Can you get it off? Put it off. One more. I'm sweating.
This looks pretty creamed to me.
That's what he said. The next thing to add is the zest of one orange.
Got it.
I'm curious how this is gonna work.
Perfect.
Am I doing it? No. Nothing's happening. What if you just take little nibbles? Like really little nibbles.
And the corner, huh?
And put it in there. Because that's super gross.
Yeah.
Well, and the last thing we want to do is be gross in this. I think we should skip this step.
Yeah.
Should we, maybe scrape down the bowl? This feels really intimate, doesn't it?
We're like you're offering, we can.
I know, and you're doing something really special for me. Awesome, cool. Great, glad that's done. And we don't have to talk about that again. The vanilla. I think you got it.
We'll do that.
Good job.
There's a little left. You know what? We could do a shove and pull.
Shove and pull.
Okay.
I don't know what a shove and pull is. They usually make you pay extra for that.
Oh, no.
Shove and pull. Great. Actually, that's working really nicely. Okay.
What's next?
The final step in mixing the wet ingredients is the egg. Okay.
That works so good.
Did you see how good that is?
Got the yolk, yep.
I just love when we start doing something and we both go silent. It becomes a very intimate procedure.
Yeah, I'll do this.
Oh yeah, I'll stay in the same position. You take me on a journey. All right, now on to the dry ingredients. We have got our flour pre-measured out. Jen, if you wouldn't mind placing the baking powder in our flour.
Sure. Concentrating.
Just do this. What were you thinking? Oh, you doing that? Oh, I got you. No, I got you. I'm on board. There you go. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. This is important. This is our rising agent. Oh. All right, I think that's good. Get that in there. Okay, let's get this whisked. I'm just gonna sit back and relax while you do this part, because this is exciting. Oh. Can you imagine if I caught that with my foot? I believe you dropped your whisk, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay.
You know what we could do?
Yeah.
We could just toss it.
No. Game over. Game over.
What? That was a good toss.
Yeah, it barely like stayed in your hands.
Replay that.
No.
Let's mix that up. Okay, all right, hit me.
Flick of the toe?
Yeah. Oh! Can't get it off. And then just pull it out.
This is not safe. Not safe.
Cool, I'm glad you stepped in when you needed to for that. It's quite crumbly. I do want to give Topless Baker a call and just say, hey, bud, can you just double check that your proportions are right? Should we add in another egg? Like, this isn't gonna roll. You're you. Oh, God. I can't watch. This is so gross with the lipstick. See, this is why I didn't eat the last one, is because I really just wasn't hungry after all. What are your thoughts on if I do some kneading with my feet? Do you think it would come together? So here's what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
I'm gonna sit up here. I feel like I'm giving birth here.
Are you too high?
No, that's perfect. If you can keep it there, Jen, that is genius. It's coming together. Oh yeah, we got a dough, babe. Oh, are you still good? You still cool down
Just
there?
transferred.
Okay, I got a bit more dry ingredient to incorporate. Okay, I'm just gonna clean off my digits. Oh, you know, we didn't preheat the oven. Okay, you're good. You can stand up. We didn't preheat the...
Nothing different happened.
What? You're kidding me. It looks like a freaking cookie dough. You want to lick my fingers? The part of me wants to give up. Okay. Okay, you guys, there's a new game plan. I think that the likelihood of us being able to get this cut out, rolled and cut out, very limited.
I think if we make a giant cookie with holes for like dots of the candy, like you're saying.
Yeah, okay, great.
All right, so just a dump.
Nice. Oh, I love the flare at the end. Okay, so we're gonna do one big cookie, but I'm gonna just get it all together. What if we like make holes?
Okay.
With elbows.
Yeah.
Jen has the cutest elbows in the world. Let's fill them with Jolly Ranchers.
No.
So I say we just get one. Here, I'll get you one.
Okay.
And I will get one for myself. And you just wanna undo it. Oh! Lady and the Tramp. sound. Oh, this is
I didn't get any saliva.
some weirdo's fantasy.
Woo!
I think you just spit in my mouth. Yeah! Nice.
I can't believe we did that.
So once you have all of your Jolly Rancher candies pressed into your cookie ornaments, it's time to bake at 350 for 375 for 8 minutes until just golden. Okay, so we're back. Our feet are clean, our hands are clean, our elbows are clean. You still got something?
Yeah,
inside you.
that's
okay.
all right.
The cookies are cooled, but we decided that from here on in, it's going to be imperative that we use our digits, our finger digits. So what I think I want to do, given that we didn't cut it out prior, is that we should cut them out now using this, if you don't mind doing that.
Yeah.
The other thing that Topless Baker does is he makes a little hole for a ribbon so you can put it on a tree.
That's why you have the straw.
That's why I got a straw, yeah. So if you want to cut them, and then I'll poke the straw in.
Okay.
Beautiful. Great, so yeah, I'm gonna go in here with a little straw guy. And these are still super hot, so we're gonna let them cool entirely. Amazing, okay, so we are gonna let these cool completely. We're gonna run a ribbon through them and hang them on our mini Christmas tree. How do you think we did?
Amazingly.
Thank you guys so much for watching. How do you think we did? We hope you enjoyed this video and also hope you have a wonderful holiday season. And we'll see you next time. I just like slapped your boob. Freeze frame.